USDJPY today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about dollar against yen. So before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. And below the video, you'll find some links. It says join free Telegram channels. So go and join my Telegram if you want some free signals every now and then. And then check out the best prop firm and the brokers. Sign up with these brokers, start with a demo account, then start trading with my signals in the separate account. I'll explain that in Telegram, or maybe just go and read my messages in Telegram, which I have shared already. Okay, so make sure you're into my Telegram, subscribe, like, all of that. Coming back to the chart, starting it out on approach with weekly time frames. So weekly we are down. So Wednesday confirming that we will end up, we'll end this week probably blue. So maybe we'll take down this high. So we are still in a downtrend. That's the confirmation. Okay, we might carry on going towards this low in weekly. So we'll see what happens by Friday. Friday is, I think, some holiday. 4th of July holiday. Okay, so we are in Delhi now. In Delhi, we had been going down and we tried to take a pullback today. Then again we are we have a long rejection and the price is coming down. Okay, so we are looking for shorts. Our entry should be in 4-hour when so new low pullback, that's our entry. Okay, close your eyes, enter right here. Okay, so when next red candles, it's a free money right there on the table. Okay, so where's my line? Right here. Put your line here at this candle. So when next red candles are going to swallow this blue candle, that is your entry for sell, and take 50 pips and get out. Okay, don't go for this low. I'm telling you, only take 50 pips. For example, if you enter at 143.50, exit around 142.95, or maybe just exit at 143.00. 55 pips. Don't become greedy. Okay, so you will enter low short after the next red candles eat this candle completely, and then exit around 143.00. Nobody will tell you this for free in the world. Yes, everybody's doing the analysis. Trend is down, look for shorts after each pullback. I can do the same and walk away. Okay, but what I just told you, enter where and exit where, nobody tells you that for free. They tell you maybe when you pay them thousands of dollars. So for now, I'm losing those thousands of dollars at my own will. That's why TubeCore is the only brand on the internet which you can trust blindly, because TubeCore is not offering you money. Okay, so before this Forex videos, I was doing some review videos for a number of years. They might be on my channel. Okay, you can still go and watch my 2 years old videos. They will be my reviews. I never went after the money. Okay, so you have the skill, you can make your money. But the problem is everybody else is making money with these videos, with these kind of videos. Nobody's doing it for free. Okay, so that's the difference for now. And you can call me an idiot for doing this for free, because sometimes, you just have to suck it up that why you are doing this for free. Okay, so I can keep talking, but the point being is you are here because TubeCore creates the need, not the greed. Okay, your need is to make money. That's why you're listening to me. Otherwise, you won't listen to me. Okay, so let's keep it that way. That's your entry, 50 pips profit, out. And if you want more videos, I don't know why should I do that. Give me a reason. Give me a reason. Why would I tell you where when to enter exactly, and why would I tell you for free? Give me a reason. Okay, nobody does that. So subscribe, like, do your job. Your job is to subscribe, like, share the video, and join Telegram. It's your job, not mine. I'm not telling myself when to enter and to exit. I hope you are clear. If I'm making this video, I'm not telling myself when to enter, when to exit. This is for you who's watching the video. So do your job, subscribe, like, share, blah, blah, blah. And I'll see you when I want to see you, or maybe when you want to listen to me. So goodbye.